Understanding escalating, a deep dive into its meaning and use. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term escalating. If you've heard this word in conversations or read it in articles and wondered what it truly implies, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore this term, its origins, and how to use it in everyday English. The word escalating comes from the noun escalation, which refers to a situation becoming more intense step by step. When something is escalating, it is increasing in extent, volume, number, intensity, scope, or severity. Think of it like climbing a staircase. Each step takes you higher and higher, or in this case, more and more intense. Interestingly, escalating has a mechanical root. It's related to the word escalator, the moving staircase that helps people go from one floor of a building to another. Just as an escalator moves upwards step by step, an escalating situation moves towards a peak or climax gradually but steadily. Let's put escalating into action. Here are some examples. 1. The argument between the two coworkers started over a small misunderstanding and kept escalating until it became a serious issue. 2. Due to the escalating tensions in the region, the government has called for immediate peace talks. 3. The company faced an escalating series of challenges that eventually led to its bankruptcy. Notice how escalating is used to show the progression of intensity or severity in each scenario. It's always helpful to know some synonyms. Here are a few: intensifying, mounting, surging, amplifying, heightening. Each of these words can be used in place of escalating to convey a similar increase in magnitude or intensity. It's just as important to know when not to use escalating. If a situation is getting better, calming down, or decreasing in severity, we wouldn't use escalating. For instance, we wouldn't say, "The patient's health is escalating," if they are recovering from an illness. Instead, we could say, "The patient's health is improving." Thank you for watching our exploration into the term escalating. We hope this video has elevated your understanding of the word and you feel more confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, English is a staircase, and with each new word you learn, you're escalating your language skills to the next level. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.